The benefits of using glass in a pool: much better colour range. You can get different sizes, as we have here on display. I think it's more appealing to the eye. It's just made from normal glass. They press it to either 4mm or 8mm in the tiling industry. The colour is painted on the back, and when the paint is dry, then they'll apply a coating to protect the colour. In terms of pricing, glass is a bit more expensive and a little bit more expensive to lay, as the tiling contractors charge a little bit more. A little bit harder to cut, you have to be more precise, but not a great deal of difference. I prefer the glass mosaics rather than the porcelain mosaics, even though I'm a supplier of both. Glass mosaics, more vibrant, more colours, impervious to absorption, therefore non-porous. Colour range is fantastic, UV stable, so your colour will never fade. Chlorine stable obviously as well.